Brighton Kids Campus, home-based preschool and homeschooling. Location A2103, Gulshani Hadeed, Phase 2. Contact information. Phone number 0321 89093 89. Email brightonkidscampus@gmail.com. Objectives. Alright, let's talk about our objectives. First, we aim to provide a warm and nurturing environment for children in the comfort of our own home. Next, we foster social, emotional, physical, and cognitive development through play-based learning. We also prepare children for formal schooling and future success. And finally, we support parents in their role as primary caregivers through open communication and collaboration. Curriculum. Our curriculum is designed to be engaging and enriching. It includes play-based learning activities, arts and crafts projects, music and movement sessions, storytelling and literacy development, numeracy and math concepts, exploration, science and sensory play, and social skills and emotional intelligence development. Activities. Our daily activities are thoughtfully planned to ensure a well-rounded experience for the children. We start with circle time and story time, followed by sensory play and exploration. Outdoor play and nature walks are a big part of our routine. We also have snack time and mealtime routines. And of course, we celebrate special events and milestones together. At our preschool, we strive to create a safe and welcoming home environment for every child. We have dedicated play areas and learning spaces designed to inspire curiosity and creativity. Our classrooms are filled with age-appropriate toys and materials, ensuring that every child has the tools they need to explore and learn. We also provide healthy snacks and meal options to keep little ones energized throughout the day. And of course, we maintain regular cleaning and sanitizing routines to ensure a clean and healthy space for everyone. Qualifications. Sida Anila, Montessori Directress with 15 years of experience. An experienced and qualified caregiver and teacher. First aid and CPR certification. Ongoing training and professional development. Benefits: personalized attention and care. Flexible scheduling and routines. A home-based setting for a sense of comfort and security. Strong communication and partnership with parents. Preparation for future academic success. We offer a comprehensive homeschooling program tailored to meet the individual needs of each child under the guidance of our experienced Montessori directress, Sida Anila. Contact us to schedule a visit and learn more.